So let's talk about Lydia, the seller of purple, for just a moment. We meet her in Acts 16, roughly verse 11, where Paul meets the women that gather at the river and he teaches them the gospel. And so what it says in that text is that God opened her heart. And I always thought, man, that's kind of a neat little phrase, isn't it? God opened her heart. And given the fact that God does not want any to perish, but all to come to repentance, that tells me that God would open every heart. But opening hearts is a two-way street. I'm going to tell you that the reason God was able to open her heart was because she was seeking. She was looking for something. She was already meeting at the place where the women gathered together on the Sabbath. She was already in the process of searching. And so when Paul came along with the truth, that New Testament, then it was just that she knew it worked. Problem with a lot of folks, they're not looking. And they've already said, well, religion, it's a bunch of hooey anyway. Why would we even look there? And so they're not even going to look where the answers are. And thus they're going to end up living an entire lifetime never having that experience where we could say, and God opened their heart, because they're not open to it. It's just not even on the table. They've taken that piece of the puzzle and they've thrown it back in the box and said, we don't want to mess with that one. Okay, there you go. Now, for those of us who've had this experience, I want to add another level to it. We sing a song, we sing Sweeter as the Years Go By. It's not just that initial opening. That initial opening is great. That's awesome. But we start out as babes on the sincere milk of the Word. And then we grow and develop and we get stronger and stronger and we learn more and more. If I can put it in this language, our heart opens more and more, wider and wider, and it gets sweeter as the years go by. It's not just about getting converted. That's like just being born. It's about growing up and experiencing the life of Christianity. A little bit of something to think about. Put your comments below and have a great day.